What is going on, Dudes and Foxy Dudettes? I've noticed that I've been doing a lot of beard content lately, but it got me to thinking that, there's a whole bunch of guys who have trouble growing a beard. So I'm going to show you how to grow a beard, or at least give you some suggestions on how to do it. And it's going to feature the Forte Series Hairline and Beard Pencil. We'll talk about it here very shortly. It's a pretty cool thing. Stay tuned. So first things first, you got to see what you're working with. If you're new to growing a beard, meaning you're clean shaven or just a little bit of stubble, my first piece of advice is to just let it grow. Let it go for a month. Don't trim it. Just leave it alone and see what you're working with. So the truth is, you can probably grow a better beard than what you think you can. I know a lot of times maybe those inner negative voices could be in your head, like, oh, my beard doesn't look like this guy's. It doesn't look like that. It's patchy. It's not good. Calm down, relax, take a breath, let it grow for a month. I'm sure you'll be surprised at what you can grow, and then you can see what you're actually working with. Don't let the negative voices get to you. I'm sure you can grow a fantastic beard. Okay, so step one is over. You've let your beard grow for 30 days and you're gonna see what you got to work with. You may just find that you need a trim. You may find that it may be a little patchy and there's some things that you wanna do. You're not in terrible company. I was there once upon a time. So the first thing that you should do is eat a balanced diet. Eat a diet that's got your lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Avoid processed sugar. Now, that's easier said than done, and I'm not here to judge you because we're all human. But trying to eat a healthier, balanced diet is going to not only just help your beard grow, but it's going to help your hair in your head. It's going to help you lose weight. There's a whole bunch of benefits. But if you're trying to grow a beard, you got to give your body the nutrients. Eat a well-balanced diet, and I will say on top of that, take a good multivitamin. Not all multivitamins are created equal. That's also not the point of this video. You're gonna have to do your research on that, but find a good multivitamin because you can eat the best sourced food, and if the nutrients are not in the soil, it's not gonna be in your food. So you gotta have a vitamin. Get your rest and hydrate. Those are two very important things, along with the first thing. If you're gonna eat a well-balanced diet, get your sleep, drink your water, you're giving your body a fighting chance for a whole bunch of things besides growing a beard. But again, we're talking about growing a beard in this video. If you stress out, think about guys that are bald, right? A lot of times it's kind of the joke like, oh, he must be stressed and that's why he's losing his hair. And we see it in cartoons and such that, something bad goes on in somebody's life and they're stressed and then they rip their hair out and they lose their hair or whatever. Well, I mean, it's not that much of a joke. It's not that far-fetched. Your beard can do the same thing. It could give you problems growing your beard. So try to get stress out of your life. Believe me, I know I'm preaching to the choir here, okay? I understand, but get your rest, hydrate, try to remove stress as best as possible in the day and age that we live in, and that's another way that will help you grow a beard. Now, I know those don't sound like the fun ways on how to grow a beard, and you guys are like, come on, Chris, I don't want to eat good. I want to stay up late playing Call of Duty. I want to drink Mountain Dew or beer. And I want to eat chips. I don't want to eat healthy. What else can I do to grow a beard? I got you. I'm here for you. Okay? So, the next step is adopt a beard care routine. Use beard oil. They have some beard oils that help you grow hair. I don't know how well they work, but I would advise to just sticking to like normal beard oils. Wash your beard with a special beard wash. That's going to help. We've talked about a bunch of them here on the channel before. Make sure you adopt a good, healthy beard routine. You'd be surprised how thicker and fuller and more shine your beard will have, and it will help it grow. Another thing that's great is a derma roller. I don't know if you guys ever seen it before. We'll throw one up on the screen. A derma roller is a roller that has little needles on it, and you roll it on your areas where you're patchy, or it works great for hair loss too. A friend of mine used it. I believe he was losing hair in his crown. He used it along with a shampoo or a conditioner or whatever, and he said it worked great. I would assume you would do the same thing with your beard. I've never done it personally, but roll it on your face. The idea is the needles stimulate blood, and it stimulates the surface, allowing hair growth. It's used with some kind of, beard growth oil or serum or shampoo if you're trying to do it for your hairline or your crown. That's another way to go. They're relatively inexpensive, and you can find them, on Amazon and other places. I would highly recommend and stress that you guys do your research. Figure out which one is like really popular. Don't just buy, just the first one you see, because there are a ton of them out on the market. But a derma roller is a great way to go. Now I got one more option for you if you don't want to try that. My friends over at Forte Series came out with a beard and hairline pencil, and I thought I would show you guys how it works. It's pretty remarkable. So it's pretty easy to use. It's not very big either. All you have to do, this side is the actual pencil. You just bring up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that. You don't need a lot, okay? And then what you're gonna do is, in the spots where you're patchy, is you draw little lines and fill in where you're patchy. Okay? And then when you're done, make sure to close that up. You also want to make sure you draw that at an angle. It'll keep your the tip on your pencil sharp. It comes with a little micro brush, and then bring it down so it resembles hair. Now, make sure you match up your facial hair color with the pencil. They come in like 3 different colors, I believe, like brown, dark brown, and black. I'm using the black one. And there you have it. I mean, I'll get in a little closer so you can see, but, and if I miss some spots, do forgive me. I'm looking at my camera, so it's a little hard to see and get it all right on a tiny 3-inch screen. But that's another option that you can do. It's sweat-proof, waterproof. It will come off in the shower though, so just be wary about that. But another great option, works on hairlines too. I haven't tried it for that. I was intrigued by it, so I figured I would give it a shot. And that kind of brings me to my next point is, even if you feel that your beard is patchy, there are worse things in the world. Don't stress over it, okay? I mean, I don't have the fullest beard either, and you'll survive. You'll be okay. I understand that, sometimes it can be the butt of jokes. A lot of comedians will make fun of other comedians and roast them for their lack of beard or whatever. Try it, the steps that we talked about today. Do what you can, but remember, at the end of the day, there are more important things. And if you can't grow the fullest beard, so what? I do like like the longer beards that are maintained in caps, not the ones that are just left out there to just bush out. And if you guys can't tell, I have extremely curly hair, so that kind of goes with the facial hair, and I can't really grow a really long beard like that. It's okay. It takes me a long time to grow facial hair, but I got other strengths, you know? So there's some guys that wish they had curly hair and they can't grow curly hair. So learn to love what you got, learn to live with what you got, and you'll be fine. It doesn't take away from you as a person. All right, guys, and with that, we will see you next time. Thanks for sticking around with me. Hopefully these tips will help you. Be sure to check out Forte Series and pick up the beard and hairline pencil if you're interested. I'll have a link in the description. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will save you 15% off your total purchase. We got some cool stuff on the website, guys, and you can see it down here. Although I think YouTube is changing it, so it may be in the description now, but I don't know. You probably can see some of the cool stuff we have below my picture. And with that, we will see you next time. Take care. Grow those beards, because No Shave November is very close. Talk to you later. Peace.